Hashtag multimodal AI models. What you need to know right now. You're probably using AI wrong.
Most people think it's just about typing text prompts, but we're in the middle of a massive shift where AI can now see, hear, understand images, videos, and text all at the same time.
And honestly, most people have no idea what they're missing.
I'm from TechNavigator Pro, and today we're breaking down multimodal AI models, the technology that's about to change how you work, create, and solve problems.
Let me be straight with you, the multimodal AI space is evolving incredibly fast.
My knowledge extends through April 2024, so while I can explain what multimodal AI is and how it fundamentally works, I need to be transparent that the latest specific models and features in 2025 to 2026 are moving faster than I can verify in real time.
Here's what I recommend. For the absolute latest developments, check OpenAI's official blog, Google DeepMind's announcements, and Anthropic's documentation directly. These sources publish real-time updates about new model capabilities.
But let me walk you through why this technology matters and how you can start leveraging it today.
So what exactly is a multimodal AI model? Think of it this way. Traditional AI, the ChatGPT you might know, is like someone who only reads.
They're brilliant at understanding text, but show them a picture and they're lost.
Multimodal AI?
That's like hiring someone who can read, look at images, watch videos, and understand audio all at once. They can connect all those pieces together.
The game changer here is integration. When AI can process multiple types of information simultaneously, it understands context way better.
Imagine uploading a screenshot of your broken app, describing the problem verbally, and having AI instantly recognize what's wrong and suggest fixes.
That's multimodal in action. Let me show you how to start experimenting with multimodal capabilities today. First, you need to identify which tools support multimodal input. Check the official documentation for platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT interface, Google's Gemini, or Claude. Look for the attachment button or image upload feature, that's your entry point. When you open your preferred AI platform, look for the upload icon. This is usually a paperclip or plus symbol in the input box. This button lets you add images, documents, or other media to your conversation. Click it, and you'll see options for what you can attach. Here's the critical part that most people skip: context matters. Don't just upload an image. Tell the AI what you want it to do with that image.
Say, analyze this dashboard screenshot and tell me why the conversion rate dropped.
Be specific. Multimodal AI is powerful, but it still needs clear direction. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and trust me, the pace of AI development means we're constantly uncovering new features and capabilities that can save you hours of work. Now let's get into the real power moves. One massive application is document analysis.
Instead of copying and pasting text from a PDF, screenshot it or upload it directly. Ask the AI to summarize it, extract specific data, or identify problems. I've used this to analyze competitor websites by uploading multiple screenshots and asking for comparative analysis. The AI sees all of them together and creates connections you might miss.
Another game changer is debugging.
Developers, listen up. Take a screenshot of your error message, upload it along with your code snippet, and let multimodal AI analyze both together.
It understands the visual error context plus your code's logic. This cuts debugging time dramatically. Content creators, this is huge for you. Upload a video frame or thumbnail design, describe what you're trying to achieve, and get instant feedback. Upload multiple design variations, and have AI compare them side by side. It's like having a creative director available 24/7. For research and learning, upload academic papers or technical documentation. The AI can read dense text plus any charts, graphs, or diagrams embedded in those documents. Ask it to explain complex concepts visually or break down intricate systems. The multimodal approach means it understands both the words and the visual explanations together. Here's a pro tip that changes everything: use multimodal AI for accessibility and translation. Take a photo of text in another language, and multimodal AI can translate it while understanding the context of the image. It's not just converting words, it's understanding what you're looking at. Another advanced technique is workflow automation. If you're constantly analyzing similar types of images or documents, inspection photos, medical scans, architectural plans, you can establish a pattern. Upload examples, describe what you're looking for, and train your prompts. Over time, you get faster and more accurate results. The future capability to watch for, according to recent announcements from major AI labs, involves real-time video understanding. Imagine uploading a video of your presentation, and AI provides detailed feedback on pacing, clarity, and visual effectiveness. Or upload customer interaction videos and have AI identify training opportunities. This is coming, and soon. One critical limitation to understand: quality matters. The clearer your images and media, the better the results. A blurry screenshot won't work as well as a crisp one. Dark, poorly lit photos will confuse the system. Think of it like this: if a human can't read or understand it clearly, neither can the AI. Here's what most tutorials miss: chain your multimodal requests. Don't just ask for one analysis. Upload an image, get analysis, then ask follow-up questions that reference that image. Upload a second image and ask for comparisons. You're building a conversation where context accumulates. That's when multimodal AI becomes genuinely powerful. For staying current with the latest developments, because this space is exploding, bookmark these official sources. Check OpenAI's blog at openai.com/blog for ChatGPT updates. Visit Google DeepMind's official announcements page. Read Anthropic's latest documentation. These aren't third-party news sites, they're the creators themselves announcing what's new. The development cycle in multimodal AI is rapid, and these sources publish changes within days of release. Here's my honest take: if you're not experimenting with multimodal AI capabilities in your current workflow, you're falling behind. Whether you're a developer, content creator, student, or business analyst, this technology directly impacts your productivity. The good news? It's accessible right now. You don't need expensive tools or technical setup. Just start uploading images and documents to your AI platform and asking smarter questions. Remember this: multimodal AI isn't about replacing human judgment. It's about giving you superpowers to process information faster and more comprehensively. It's about seeing patterns across different data types that you might otherwise miss. It's about navigating complex problems with better tools. So here's the action you take right now: open your preferred AI platform. Find the upload button. Upload an image or document relevant to something you're working on. Ask it a specific question about what you've shared. That's it. You've now experienced multimodal AI firsthand. From there, your learning curve accelerates rapidly because you're working with real problems in your own domain. Stay curious about the official announcements. These labs publish new capabilities constantly. Set a reminder to check their blogs monthly. New features mean new opportunities for you to work smarter. Here at TechNavigator Pro, we believe that technology should empower you, not overwhelm you. Navigate your tech journey with confidence. You've got this. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into emerging tech. We're posting new tutorials every single day, and the next one might be exactly what you need to level up your skills. Thanks for learning with us today. Now go navigate that multimodal AI space with confidence.